everyone, I'm Jocelyn Albi and I'm going to discuss about the nativist approach. But before that, we're going to have a recap first about the behaviors approach that was discussed by Jari Mahamud. So the behaviors approach is a psychological perspective that focuses in studying observable behavior as a way to understand and explain human and animal behavior. So this approach emerged as a dominant force in psychology during the early 20th century, and it was primarily influenced by the work of scholars like John B. Watson and B. F. Skinner and Ivan Pavlov. So behaviorism rejects the study of mental processes or inner experiences, instead emphasizes the importance of external or the observable behavior. Now we're going to discuss about the nativist approach. So the nativist approach is a theory in psychology and linguistics that suggests that certain aspects of human knowledge and behavior are innate, meaning they are present in humans from birth and do not require extensive learning or environmental input to develop. So this approach contrasts with empiricism, which deposits that all knowledge and behavior are acquired through experience and sensory input. According to Noam Chomsky, 1928, that linguistic theory argued that language was inherent or inborn. So this being that all children are born with the mechanisms for language and that the learning of language is motivated by the language acquisition device or the LAD. So Chomsky described the LAD as an internal function with a child's brain which is pre-programmed. So thus enable children to understand the rules of language irrespective of which language is being learned. So the nativist approach has been applied to the various domains in psychology and linguistics to explain aspects of human knowledge and behavior that are believed to have innate foundations. So here are some examples of the nativist approach in different areas. The language acquisitions and then the cognitive development. Universal grammar. Noam Chomsky's theory of universal grammar posits that humans are born with an innate understanding of the grammatical structures that underlies all the languages. So this innate knowledge allows children to rapidly acquire the grammar of their native language. For example, children across the different cultures tend to follow a similar sequence of language development, suggesting a universal underlying structures. Let's discuss about cognitive development, so which includes the object permanence and basic mathematical concepts. So object permanence, according to Jean Piaget's theory of cognitive development, suggests that infants have an innate understanding of object permanence. So the idea that objects continue to exist even when they are out of sight. So infants as young as 4 to 7 months old display signs of object permanence, such as searching for an hidden object. So for basic mathematical concept, some nativist theories propose that humans are born with a rudimentary understanding of basic mathematical concepts, such as ability to distinguish more and less. So the foundational knowledge is true to underlie the development of more advanced mathematical skills. So that is for nativist approach. And the next discussant will be Belna Polalon, which she discussed about the cognitive theory.